In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert decimal degrees to degrees decimal minutes in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet where you want to do the conversion. This process is useful when you're working with geographic coordinates and need to display values in a format that's easier to read or better suited for mapping and reporting. To understand what we're doing, it helps to know how the conversion works. Decimal degrees, often abbreviated as DD, can be converted into degrees decimal minutes, or DDM, by splitting the number into two parts. The whole number portion becomes the degrees, and the decimal portion gets converted into minutes by multiplying it by 60. That's the key idea behind the formula we'll use in Excel. Now let's look at a few sample values. If you have 123 minus 67, the result in degrees decimal minutes would be 123 degrees, 27.402 minutes. If you have 45,975, the result would be 45 degrees, 59.250 minutes. And if you have 78.125, the result would be 78 degrees, 7,500 minutes. These examples show how Excel can quickly turn decimal coordinates into a cleaner formatted result. The recommended method is to use an Excel formula. Start by entering your decimal degree value in a cell, for example, cell A2. Then click the cell where you want the converted result to appear. In that results cell, enter this formula: equals int open parenthesis, A2, close parenthesis, then ampersand quote, degree symbol, space, quote, then ampersand. Text, open parenthesis, A2 minus int, open parenthesis A2, close parenthesis times 60, comma, quote, 0.000, quote, close parenthesis, then ampersand, quote, apostrophe, quote. This formula does a few things at once. The int function extracts the whole number degrees. Then Excel subtracts that whole number from the original value to isolate the decimal part. Multiplying by 60 converts that decimal portion into minutes. Finally, the text function formats the minutes to 3 decimal places, and the rest of the formula adds the degree and minute symbols so the result is presented clearly. Press Enter to complete the conversion. Once the formula works for the first value, you can copy it down to convert additional rows automatically. That makes this method especially efficient if you're working with a long list of coordinates. The final result is that Excel converts each decimal degree value into degrees decimal minutes, showing the whole degrees first, followed by the decimal minutes in a clean, consistent format.